What up, guys? Today Tit gapping the obročke. All, yeah. Oh, he very nice. Kako se reče? Gentle.
Gentle with it.
Yeah, he very really gentle.
Thank you, Sunny, for opening this video for me. And we are finally at this stage. It has been a long journey assembling back the RB25 because of various reasons, getting all the parts firstly to Ireland and then back here to our base because we needed to get some parts from Japan, some parts came from Australia and all that, and some stuff needed to be machined again, but here it is. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't take much part in preparing everything, assembling the engine, preparing the engine bay, which by the way we took advantage in between and clean up the engine bay. Tit and Sunny did a really amazing job, seam welded everything, painted.
Engine bay is all ready to be painted, and we've created this, what I like to call it, a bubble. It's improvised paint booth because we will try to make it as less debris as possible in the paint. Even though it's a race car, we want to make it as perfect as possible because I cannot take this styler out of my soul. So. Made an improvised paint booth. We are doing some improvising with the paint as well. So I took this kitchen scale from my girlfriend and she promised me she'll kill me if we mess it up, so that's why I put it in a bag. We have this little plastic cup for drinking non-alcoholic beverages, let's say, and we have that stuff. What's that stuff?
I think it's paint. I hope it's paint.
Is it?
Yeah, we'll taste it and find out.
Maybe it's some nacho cheese.
No, you can't get nacho cheese in Slovenia.
Oh, you can from our neighbors, remember?
Yeah.
So our neighbors are trading Mexican food or anything with Mexican food. So there is like tons of nacho cheese. So it's a paint.
Smells like paint. Looks like paint.
And with this paint, yeah, we're gonna do the whole engine bay. And this paint is actually from the F14 Tomcat. Well, one of the shades of gray. So, yeah, it's kind of a dope info. What's that?
That's paint thinner.
So that thins the paint down.
That makes the paint thinner.
Okay, because we try to save weight, so we need to add double of this, or
Yeah, no problem.
okay, and
If
then
it's a little bit more runny, no
okay,
problem.
and then is this little canister thingy.
Yeah.
What's that?
That makes the paint hard. That's like Viagra for the paint.
So we have a paint thinner, so we save some weight. Then we have a hardener for the paint, so it makes the car more like strong. The chassis, it makes the chassis strong, yeah. And we have the paint, so we need to mix it in the right scale, right proportion.
Percentage.
How are we gonna do that?
Do we have a spoon or something?
Spoon.
Yeah.
We have spoon engines. Spoon engines. So Hector's gonna be running.
3 Honda Civics with spoon engines.
So this is what Spoon is using for making spoon engines for Hondas.
Oh, that's a thick boy.
Wow. So a lot of paint thinner, so we don't have too much weight on the car. So you know how to make some cocktails, eh?
Yeah,
So what do you call this one?
I call it Stinky Silver.
You could be
more
creative. You could be more creative. Tomcat Sunrise, or something like that, or Long Cat, Smelly Alley Cat. Assembling the heat shield foil is pretty much an easy job. Well, if there is no engine in the engine bay and if you can actually step inside the engine bay. What you need is a cloth. If everything is already degreased, just to wipe some dust off. A knife, scissors, and of course some heat wrap vinyl. And that's it. Cut, wipe, put it on. Well, I can say at least I put the heat shield wrap on, so at least something I've done. And yeah, again, hats off to the guys assembling back the engine. Here it is, ready to be installed back in the engine bay. Yeah, we painted the covers
into some flashy color that matches everything else. Time to put the RB25 back into the Tomcat, and hopefully it's gonna last a bit longer this time, man. We're gonna have some fun, we're gonna shred some tires and enjoy the car like we are supposed to. Not the most stable piece in the universe, but it does the job. Well, at least it did the job putting the engine out. It is the least stable tool in the universe.
But he does the job.
So bear with the electrics guy, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment down below, like our content, share our content. Till next time, because we're gonna fire the car back up and get it ready for the track. See ya!
Truck 46, 2 miles out.